Manchester City Chun Premier League Trophy 2020 and 2021 season su trophy Ropuitakin choya chulai chun apoi mo ML chu and star player and hero editing Aquero hi ani tuin ama bye na hun ser mang mekin voizan kan hun an mang ti thuai lo rita koina koiro hi upat ang hu ni loven goal score tim pang chathil la thota yeme ma tu ta season coming goal som thum le ti ala thun thei ngatani ama hi Premier League high com hattrik sim rot tak high chan lo changin chel khela all time goal scorer from alone ta nge nge ti chun club high le coaching staff high an in palm thu le an la ngaina tuhai thu zik tam takan an thlen tu tain coach an thuril elo ta
we love him so much. He's a special person for all of us.
You're not having second thoughts, are you, Pep?
He's so nice. He's so nice.
Is it because of the human being as well as the footballer?
Yeah, he helped me a lot.
It's been the challenge for you. You've had to do it, replacing totems of this football club.
We cannot replace him. We cannot. There are many players that in this club, Joe Hart and David Silva, help us to be this club what it is. So we think his legacy and he show his quality in 20 minutes.